Hello, thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. I'm in a home dealing with shades that are not new. I don't know if I've looked at the date, I'll probably add it later. But if you look up here, you're looking at a motorized shade from vintage times. And chances are you've moved into a home and have these. I'm going to show it up close so you can see it a little bit better. But one of the things that you'll notice if you have a remote, it looks like this. This is the PowerRise Platinum. It's from Hunter Douglas, and it is like 3-4 generations older now. And so one of the questions that I get, and it's why we're doing this, but there's a million different directions we can go with this, has to do with the shade. First of all, does it work? Answer is no. Why not? There's no battery in it. One of the reasons is, and watch as I get closer, top of my hand, 8 feet. So it's up another 5 feet above that. And what does that mean? That every time you've got to change out the batteries, for this version, and I'll show you why, because the headrail, and I'll show a picture right here, it opens up and the battery pack is on the inside. That's the only way they used to make it. But now you can get extension cords and you can place the battery packs down below. But there's another technical thing, and that has to do with the power. So I get a lot of calls about lithium-ion batteries, rechargeable batteries, because that's totally normal these days, but not for these. Why? Because these are 12 volts. The lithium-ion batteries that are rechargeable are 18 volt. So you can't just plug those in together, but the principle's the same. And so Hunter Douglas has these parts right here, and we put those together, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this down, and then I'm going to, and I'm also going to show you how to do it with pictures. But the idea is we're just going to go through the process. So if you have this, I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Not easy, but I want you to know. And then, I mean, honestly, when they're this old, you may want to consider replacing them just because the technology is so new and so much better, new products, new materials. But if you want to keep them, I'm going to show you this as an option. So I've set this down on a safe location, so it's not going to scratch anything. And this is when you look down from the top. And if you notice, you've got your battery pack right here. See, it's connected, goes across to this other side, and we're eliminating that. So the key that's important is if you follow these two cords, which I'm trying to do this with my fingers, which is hard. If you see these two cords right here, they connect to the battery pack there. And then they go across, and they go right. I'm struggling to see this. Oh, I'm in the wrong section. Yeah, right here. They come out, see where it says power, PWR? We're going to remove those and replace them with what I'm about to show you. And I'm sorry that my fingers are so dry. So again, you can see where it says power. Now we're going to take this and insert it inside. So what I do is I notice that here, if you look, it's got holes that are more to one side than the other. And I line them up with the little prongs that are down below. And I use this to do it. Get it lined up, get it close, and push it in. And let's see, that's it. It's that easy to do. And then we will create the connection here by putting this together with this.